My name is D. Mansa from ATL ZPHS palakurthy district, Janagaon, Telangana state.
Hi everyone, my name is Sanjana. I am studying in 8th standard, District Janagam, State, Telangana.
Today my project name is gas leak detector. Materials required: MQ2 gas sensor, Arduino Uno red and green LED, resistor, breadboard, jumper cables, buzzer. Procedure: first we take breadboard and place MQ2 sensor on it, and we take Arduino Uno we connect VCC in MQ2 Arduino to 5V of Uno board, and we connect GND of sensor to Arduino, GND to Arduino, and we connect AO2 of Arduino to A5, and we place two LEDs, and after we place resistors, and we say that this project is work as if in any industry, gas industries, the gas was leaked, this sensor was detect the gas leakage, and the red bulb will go and the buzzer was sound. My special thanks to Pujit sir, the mentor of Adult Culting Lab, ZPHS palakurthy. Thank you.